my camera.
You did?
You should see him coming. That's where the hold me up. I told him I can walk. Quick, don't hold me. You 100 you better wait and do what we said. I can walk. I done washed the cup. She's a new cook. They bring it every day. Every day they bring her fruit.
For the fruit cocktail.
She said she's the weed, you know. I eat it for myself.
You're going to save your cornbread? Okay.
Don't fall these out. Cause I eat during night. We can have nothing to smoke to snack or nothing with them. A girl said, you didn't have that issue one month on. I said, we didn't need some early this morning to 6 o'clock. They just now brought it.
They did? Huh.
The girls don't quit. I don't guess she belongs to the union.
Well, here's some good coffee, Granny.
I'm afraid to put anything on them. And our Vaseline. Because Bill said it had a little mint in it. I told her I don't need nothing. But yeah, I just need plain Vaseline. Bring me some.
Just plain
a jar of it, I told her.
Yeah.
And she said they don't have it in jars no more.
No, it's in a
They
tube.
just have it in a little, well, about that big glass.
Huh.
That's all. She said it's up $3.50. When I asked her where Mick was, you didn't hear from her either?
Yeah. I saw her yesterday.
She home?
Yeah.
Well, see, I ain't heard from her since she went to Pennsylvania.
Huh.
She'll be here
No.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Come on, Wednesday.
Yeah, she stayed. She said, call the office and told them to tell me she'll be back Thursday. Well, I waited until they come. So Vera come, and bologna come. They hadn't heard from her, so Mary said she'd call when she got home. They don't let her to call here. So I guess you could go out front with that box in and call them. But they don't let you have a phone, because I want to be able to get me one.
Yeah.
She said she went to the office and said it's too much bother for each one, you know, to have one. They stay on the phone till lunch.
Oh, okay.
Won't let them have it.
Huh.
So I don't guess I'll get a phone. I got to lay down on my back. I've been having trouble with it. That bone is sticking out only. See, I just got one bone there. They took the other one out. But yours are just going to get a second opinion.
Yeah.
I told her to call Dr. Dreamdude and make her a second appointment. The people put her off till April. And they just put her through all that other stuff. And why did they start her and get her all excited like that for? I was mad this morning. And I told her to tell the doctor.
Yeah.
He's the surgeon. He's the one that does the work. Might operate on her. Dwight is the one operating on me.
Oh, yeah.
And say, they took my stomach out. I don't have a stomach.
Oh.
I can't eat a big lot.
Oh, you
I just had little bags about this big.
Oh,
One of them's for food, like that big.
oh,
And the other is for this corn, we call it.
corn.
Goes in that little tube. That's why I have to go to the bathroom. And you say I don't, they took my stomach out, and I don't have that. So they have, everything's over here,
Is it?
on this
Oh,
side.
on this
And that's
side.
where my bones are sticking out now,
Yeah,
over back.
yeah.
I'm gaining no weight. I weigh 107 pounds. So, I eat.
Yeah, you eat good. You eat good, yeah.
If it's not digesting like it's supposed to, and no stomach.
No stomach.
Well,
How does it feel to be 105? Everybody wants to know.
huh. Well,
Well, did you not
ain't
hear
nothing
me?
much you do nowadays, is it? Like Reverend said, she just has to do what you tell her.
Yeah.
Right? And she said, she was afraid to let it go too long. See, they took groceries home right away. She had both of hers off at one time. And they didn't mind. Dr. Fifty's dead. It was an offensive.
I think they might still be
I never had no trouble. Because he said they already give me all that troubles that I had to go through before they let around me out of the hospital. I'm a bleeder. I bleed.
Oh.
And that's the reason. And Vera was afraid that's what's the matter with her. They was going to run some more tests.
Yeah.
See, it runs in the family.
She worries me.
That was what's making
Enough and walking and everything, but
had to
I
go
don't
back
think
to
I need to
road.
worry much about it because
Only hers was water.
everybody's there.
And,
They know.
it would move over that way. She said it would move over this way. I talk over and have a rest.
Yeah.
And remember, she told me about the boys and playing ball.
Playing ball, yeah.
You make some pictures of them. I want to see them. I ain't seen them in so long.
Oh, I was supposed to show
She
you
said,
something.
well, I'll look at it, Granny. But I don't think they're going to get hurt. Mommy said, oh, they got to be rough. She said, all that. She said, well, everyone's not putting ball now.
Oh,
Well, boy, you don't have to play ball.
yeah.
Uh-huh. So, y'all go to the ball games.
Yeah.
So, well,
Used to.
that's about all you can do.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
well,
Good dogs. Y'all wanna go see Granny? Y'all wanna go see Granny? Oh, I think that's a yes. Oh, I think that's a yes. Do we wanna go see Granny? Huh? Let's go see Granny. Let's go see Granny. Y'all wanna go see Granny? Huh? We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw! We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw! We'll be coming around the mountain. We'll be coming around the mountain. We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Yee-haw!
Granny, Andy sent this video.
oh,
Can you see it?
oh,
Wait a
Y'all wanna
minute.
go see Granny?
oh, better concern.
Y'all wanna go
I
see
know,
Granny?
I can't get it no bigger.
I think that's a
Look at
yes.
them dogs.
I think that's a yes. Do we want to go see Granny?
Oh,
Let's go see Granny.
I didn't feel well. I feel about 3/4 of the way.
We'll be coming around the mountain
That's the
when she
dogs.
comes. Yee-haw! We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Kurt can hear.
Yee-haw! We'll be coming around the mountain. We'll be coming around the mountain. We'll be coming around the mountain when she
They don't
comes.
realize how.
That's Andy.
Yeah, I drink a lot of water too.
What in the world, yeah.
Granny goes through.
Hey, said,
Yeah.
people dropping off and staying overnight, maybe 2 or 3 days. And I looked at him real straight. I said, was your pee or mine? He said, it's a mix-up.
Mixed up.
Hell, they don't want no company. So don't plan to go to him. He said that's the reason why he moved, because he had so many people drop by.
Huh.
And they thought what they had to feed them and everything.
Yeah.
Well, you see, I didn't know what to say much, but I said it. You know. I said, well, that's your people. He said, he don't care them all. That's why I'm
Yeah, we cut
moving.
that off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I said, how many rooms you got?
Yeah, it's a little warm.
About 10 rooms.
Oh.
And all bedrooms.
It's about 50 outside.
Most of them
Yeah. What, when that's gonna end?
were
Yeah.
But
married.
it was a, must have been
Huh.
rough.
Yeah, sunburn.
Married.
So long trip, Mexico. Takes about 3 years.
So sometimes they forget about
Times
it.
to
Yeah.
get
We
gas.
have to remind them.
I go in her big car. That's what I told him. That's what he said to me last time I shared. He got him another dog. One of them hound dogs, he called it. With 4 ears. Like Kate's got. She's got 2 of them. Babies. Up next one, she gets your cat or dog.
Hello.
So,
Well, I ain't got time to stay home there, so.
Yeah. They brought me some beans and cornbread.
Oh, yeah, that's the best right there, ain't it?
How's it doing?
I bet.
You're supposed to make me a picture so I could see him. He'll be grown up. There's such a cutest son.
Her little hand.
Yeah.
I said, so why don't you take one of them? Well, sure, let me have them. She told you about selling it all. Raggedy Ann. Where's the soul free of them? We had circles. And she's going to sell some of the big ones, but they don't want to pay that much for them. Them big ones are new. You know, you just quiet on them, that's all. One time we came down, and you couldn't get your math or something. And Leon showed you how to do it. Bobby was fixing that bathroom in there. You wouldn't help him. You were sitting there crying with the tears run down that door.
oh.
What's wrong with you, Sharon? Well, I can't get this, Mama. So he sat down there and helped her. So he used to do that. Math. As long division and all that you couldn't do.
I couldn't do no.
And he showed you. He had you to work it about 3 or 4 times before he left. Before we left. Y'all ever go down that way? Oakville down that way. I know where that's at. Just right over where it is. Yeah. You might could see that little girl. She's about 2 years old now, I guess, ain't she? First I had been to see about how much she had to have that bad operation like me. Cancer. And Grace and I had been out. And we got off on the train, went across the street. We'd been on the train all night from Ohio. Well, so she had to started cleaning, Bobby to clean windows.
She was up there on her
She's not going to wash her curtains. She's just going to put them in
That's
dry.
the reason she said.
She makes some like yours. She bought some material and made them. You go to her and made in it. You're right. Bill made her. And she made Rachel's.
I love it.
She charged her $600 to make them.
Oh,
Well, I got
my
granny. I
goodness.
had my granny
So-
too.
Yeah.
She made them for $5,000. I said,
Oh,
that's what she wanted.
We had a
Drake
picture of my
alone.
granny on the.
They make a picture. She looked at that one and started to take it. I said, you better not show that. Warning.
yeah, that picture right there.
Well, looks like you could help sell much mobile home. You and I
Yeah.
Yeah.
try to sell more everything that's new. You know,
Yeah, in your mobile
even down
home.
the new furnace, we had to put in electric,
Yeah, electric.
so we had oil.
Oh, yeah.
And then we all started putting in the electric. We had everything in its electric. Everything is new.
New, yeah.
New carpets. New well, Bobby knows he put them down. And he's got to be involved. What do you call it?
That's it.
Bobby's got it. If you sell it,
Oh,
I wanted 65 for it, but he said that's too much. So you might just get 50.
oh, okay.
Since we have everything in it. Ain't nothing wrong with us. Cause see, they on fix her up every year with that stuff.
Yeah.
Keep it from leaking. Are you okay?
Yeah, everybody's fine.
I love you helping nobody. We're the only people will ever say Dwight and Vera and Bobby, that's all.
Hey, Mickey.
Not so come. Except
Oh,
my girl can bring some food. We don't have nobody. Ain't nobody working.
nobody's a working here. No.
We had well, that girl did give me a bath.
Oh, somebody's
And in the
working here?
bathroom.
Really?
Put me in a hot tub in yonder.
Oh, I bet that was nice.
Yeah. And she was afraid I was getting pneumonia. It's so cold in there. I had to go to bed. I got so cold. I was going to freeze today. Ain't no heat in that room.
I had to see it in our life.
And ain't no heat in that bathroom in here.
Right?
And they got that kind of heat, like radium heat. And you can't tell it's on.
Huh.
You can't feel it. That on the bath, you have to turn it up or it won't come on.
Well, it gets too
I
hot.
don't know how to do it. So, is it still cold outside?
No, it warmed up. It's now in the 50s, 60s.
Well, I just wondered.
You want to see outside? Let's see outside. Let's see, this blind needs to come up once in a while.
That's warm outside.
Well, about the shade up. It's because we can't see down there. You know,
No,
too much light.
Wow.
I don't think so.
Can't say or hear. No way.
It
But
don't
they
like
should
the
snow
light.
for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, no law come home. Just let me cut them off. I cut this normal. I walked down to them.
You did? She walked out yonder.
You should see him coming. That's where I'm to hold me up. I told him to walk. Don't hold me. Now, girl, you're 105. You better wait and do what we said. I can walk. I can still walk, Cheryl.
Yes, you can. Yes.
You put no shoes on me.
No.
Walk in. I put the socks on, but you get the shoes on. I'm afraid I will get up and walk out.
Walk out.
Oh, damn.
That's what it is. I'm going to put shoes on her. They're afraid she'll walk out of here.
See, we had meat all day today till you come. I gave us a biscuit and looked like bologna for breakfast.
For breakfast?
Cup of coffee.
Ah.
That's what I had. I didn't eat no.
Didn't?
Cause I used to see Mom standing around the back sandwich fried there, make our sandwich for the buckets, and go in the mine. Work. The bus come and pick them up. Girl said she wished she had my kept granddad's bucket. He had one of those square ones, one round.
What? There's no picture of you when you was little?
No, I told Vera, I guess it's a miracle Cheryl makes pictures.
Yeah, I make pictures.
She said she'd like to get the whole family, like a family picture.
Yeah.
I said, that's hard to do.
It is.
You might make one of the pictures once in a while, and then add it. You know.
Yeah.
See, Leon's doing that on the confection maker.
Yeah.
You know, what he done with all that stuff? Sold it,
Yeah.
had a big pan.
Okay.
Those big tanks, the bell.